Just a really quick video to show you something I did in my garage recently. Wanted to drop the temperature in here if I'm working inside in the summer, and really the only way to do that is to put some air conditioning in this building. And here, this is a three-car garage setup, and on this door here, I just got this board that I put in place here to block off the bottom. I lifted the garage door up about 6 inches, and I've got the exhaust vent for this GARVEE air conditioner portable unit here. This is a very cool unit. It directs the air out of this vent on the top here. You can set the target temperature that you're looking for. You got sleep timers and other things like that. You've got a swing mode so it can alternate the air flow, so it can shoot to the ceiling, shoot to the floor, all rotate around. You can do a dehumidifying mode only if you want, or just run the fan, and it's got 3 speeds on that fan. Things I like about the unit, got handles here to be able to hold it and move it, and it's on casters, so I can easily reposition it and move it around and put it in the right spot for what I'm trying to do. Very easy to take care of it. When it fills up with water from the condensation that it's pulling out of the air, you can open up this valve here and drain it out. And what it'll do is it'll shut off automatically when that tank inside is full. You can also continuously drain it with a line here if you want to hook it on. This is a hot air exhaust. It's blowing hot air outside the building. It's got a nice keeper system here, so you can put your electrical line on there, tie it up into the back of the system here, and then just put it in storage and roll it away for the winter or whenever you're not going to need it. Hooking up the hose to this exhaust vent here is really easy, and it has a nice platform here to mount the cord in so that all the hot air goes outside. You could do that in a window. If you had a window that you could open as well, that'd be a pretty easy thing to do. I was checking the temperature that's coming out of the unit just to see how well it was doing. I've got this old school thermometer here for automotive. And right now it's showing us, let's see here, we're about 90 degrees here in the room. And if I pop this down in the vent here, it doesn't take long for it to start dropping the temperature to show you the temp that's coming out of the unit. And it's pushing about 60 degree air out of the unit right now. So that's just an informal way that I was using it to test it to see how cold this cold air was. It feels great to the touch here, as I'm just in this really hot garage right now. But you can see that needle starting to drop down to 80 now, and it'll get down to about 60 and stabilize. That's about the extent in a 95 degree temperature room, how cold the air was coming out. I think when the room overall cools down, we might drop down into the 50s on this as well when that compressor is cranked up. So overall, I'm real impressed. This GARVEE unit is very good. I definitely would recommend it if you've got a room or a shed or garage or something that you're trying to cool down and you need something a little bigger than a window unit and a little more portable, then you can just roll this thing around wherever you need to go. Hope that helps. Have a great day.